With digitalization and artificial intelligence expansion, there will be insatiable demand for high-speed communication, high-performance computing, data sorting, and manipulation on several devices at the same time.
I think the future of workplace learning will be very different from what it is we see today. A lot of organizations today, they actually look at very formative and classroom-based kind of learning, which takes away a lot of time. And what AR or augmented reality and virtual reality can enable that definitely would allow a lot of organizations to leapfrog and improve productivity. And we see a lot of examples with our current clients like Asia Pacific breweries, whereby people from all walks of life are able to very quickly and more and effectively use such technologies, and we have seen productivity gains of at least 30%. 5G definitely will brings about a lot of innovation, in particular for industries that have difficult to locate places, such as a lot of buildings or in agriculture. So that's where such a technology would benefit, where training is very hard to be executed. And we have seen companies who are, for example, in agriculture, using IoT to leverage, to potentially leverage on 5G and use such sensor information that would allow such training to be conducted on site with just the 5G potential alone. And of course, using augmented or virtual reality gives the additional layer of information so that all this sensor information would make sense at the point of time when learning needs to happen.
Part of VR or virtual reality, VR is a more real-time and more realistic full-body experience of the simulations that we have seen of the past. It brings the real world inside the computer and portraying it as real as possible. Via high-speed computers and the sensory equipment create immersive mental and physical interactions. With the benefits of 5G, the disorientation caused by the latency of signals will be eliminated. It is anticipated that people will warm up to the use of VR for learning. VR will go beyond military, pilot, and surgery training to construction, transportation, health, research, planning, and training. VR can be used to simulate all possible scenarios, including unpredicted, bad weather conditions for transportation, planning, and design. In Singapore, there is an ongoing research using VR as a tool to understand what is needed to make cycling a more viable mode of transport. VR simulations platform can also simulate a realistic environment for those with driving phobia to drive a car and overcome their fear at the same time. The simulator platform offers a safe and controlled environment where unpredicted scenarios can be navigated without health and financial risk. Freight companies using VR training to cut costs and provide effective experience to truck drivers on the ground. 5G is also expected to bring a more powerful experience to AR or augmented reality in the workplace. AR augments a real-world physical environment where specific objects have supplemented information generated by computer sensory input. The construction industry can use AR to train workers on the use of new heavy machinery without the physical and financial risk. With hands-free AR devices, workers can see through walls at the construction site to more accurately view the spatial relationships of electrical and plumbing works and avoid clashes. AR will reduce design coordination errors, especially with complex buildings, and so reduce rework, lost time, and contain costs. On-site workers and back-end office designers can refer to the same visualization platform to collaborate on the proper installation of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. AR will improve efficiency during every step of the construction process. even though the power of 5G may need at least another 5 years to be fully felt. Many technological applications are gearing for the immense possibilities in the next wave of disruptions. We will see many exciting applications for learning at the workplace. Microsoft has a vision of future workplace technology. We will leave you to your imagination what the future of workplace learning might look like. Having the knowledge of what is 5G and how it works will help to fuel your imagination.